Hey everyone, what's up guys? You're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel guys. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a healthy way to remove all of those saggy hands and in few days using cucumber alongside with few other ingredients. Okay, now this is actually an effective remedy if you've actually been wanting or you've been searching on how you can actually remove sagginess of your hand. So this is actually a great solution in losing your annoying sagginess of your hands by reducing the fat cells at that area. Okay guys, so the first ingredient which we are going to be making use of is going to be cucumber. Cucumber is a great ingredient that 80% of it contains a whole lot of juice, and this is actually one great ingredient that helps so much to remove all of those annoying fats. Okay, so I'm actually just washing it and it's going to be very, very important for this. Okay, so do not search no more because you got a solution. This is literally not going to be for your hand area, it's going to equally remove the fat in your belly. Okay, so after that is done, we're equally going to be making use of garlic. Now garlic is a great ingredient for the body. It helps so much for weight loss, and it's equally help so much in removing all unwanted fats. It helps for the chest, for the heart, and for the lungs. Okay, so you really do need this ingredient to stay healthy and to remove all of those annoying fats. So I'm going to be rinsing it, and then we're going to be putting it into the cucumber. We're equally going to be needing some orange. Okay, so if you want to stay healthy and reduce some fat, guys, you need to try using orange a whole lot. Okay, so that it will keep you slim and you're not going to be looking too old. Okay guys, so I'm done squeezing the orange, and now we're equally going to be making use of lemon. Okay, so lemon is a great ingredient that reduce or remove fat cells a whole lot. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna be squeezing this particular one myself. So for the orange, I actually asked my brother to help me to squeeze it. Yep. Okay, so for this one you have to put one full lemon into this. Alright, so I'm going to be straining the lemon and the orange out. So I'm going to be turning that into the cucumber and the garlic, and then we're going to be putting in more water, more juice. So now we're going to blend it. So we're done blending, and here we have cucumber, orange, lemon, and equally have garlic in there. So we're going to be straining that out. Now, even if you don't want to strain this out, guys, you can actually drink it with all of the fiber. It's still very, very good. Okay. Okay guys, so my juice is ready, and now I'll have to turn it into the cup. And this is how it looks like. Okay guys, so this is my fat juice. Okay, look at my hands. Yeah, okay, for those people whom their hands are like this, you know, some of those fats, you know, like this, you can try this drink. But of course, if your hands like this, like mine, you can equally try it, because as it is right now, I think I'm actually getting fat. But I actually do not want to take too much of this so that it could not affect my belly, okay, like my baby. Okay, and I'm just gonna be giving it a try. Okay, I'm gonna be drinking it to show you guys that this is very healthy, and it helps to remove those sagginess of hands, and helps to keep you tighter. Okay, so for this particular drink, guys, you can actually make it and store it in your refrigerator. You can actually store it in your jug or jar, you know, cover it up, put it in your fridge. It's something that you can drink every day. Okay, for at least once a day, because of the lemon. Okay, you don't have to drink it 2 times a day. Once a day is perfect for this drink, and this is how it is. It looks good, yeah, and it's good. It tastes good too. Okay, so if you are not a lemon person, you can put half of that lemon, but it is ideal you put full of the lemon so that it will actually give you all of the things that you want. It's not only going to work in removing your dark hands, it's equally going to fat hands. It's going to remove your face fat, your belly fat. I'm literally not aiming to remove belly fat because my belly is long already. Okay, you know, so let's give this a try. I hope I've actually answered some of your questions, like when to store it. You can store it for as long as you want, but it has to be refrigerated. Okay, it's a healthy drink. It has this little slappy taste because of the lemon, and it has this little tasteless taste because of the cucumber. You know, cucumber does not have too much of, you know, taste like that. It just tastes like water and all of that. Yeah, so I'm not going to be drinking this too much because I don't need to remove fat right now. This is actually very good. Go give this a try. Drink it once in a day, either in the morning or in the night, to get that fat hands, remove your face fat, reduce, and literally, you know, look healthy and glow from within, because cucumber helps you glow so much. So that's it, guys. If you do love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I will see you again when I come up with another video.